Hi there. In this video we are going to adjust position, width and color of progress indicators. Let's start from width. As you know, width of this element depends on duration of each individual task. First of all, let's open project.css and let's find class taskbar, this one. What I'm going to do is get rid of width that we have hard coded. I don't need it anymore. And in project.js, here when we call task component, we need to add duration props task.duration. Control S. As you can see, progress indicators lost their width. Now in project task component here, what I'm going to do here, I'm going to define new constant taskbar style. It is going to be an object, and what we are going to do is define width, and let's use props duration, which we get from project.js, and let's multiply it by 30 because each day of timeline occupies 30 pixels. Okay, so if task duration is, let's say, 4 days, 4 multiplied by 30 is going to be 120 pixels. So our progress indicator's width is going to be 120 pixels. Okay, now let's use this styling here. Style, curly brackets, and taskbar style. Control S. Perfect. As you can see, first task is 3 days wide, and the second task is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days wide. Let's check if it's correct here. Perfect. As you can see, for the first project, the first task duration is 3 days and the second task duration is 5 days.